living in a tiny apartment with zero space. Sarah E. Goode solved that over 100 years ago. In 1885, she became the first African-American woman to receive a US patent. Her invention, the folding cabinet bed. Sarah owned a furniture store in Chicago and noticed people needed furniture that did more than one thing. She was a true pioneer. By day, it looked like a sleek, beautiful wooden writing desk where kids could do homework. It was elegant and functional, hiding a secret inside. But by night, it magically folded down into a comfortable full-size bed. This genius engineering used hinged sections to save a massive amount of floor space. She transformed small spaces and inspired the modern furniture designs we love today. It was the precursor to the Murphy bed. Talk about genius engineering! Sarah E. Goode proved that a great idea can change how we live. Never stop dreaming big. Like and subscribe for more brilliant stories from the Lab of Legends.